If you struggle to write emails that get replies or even drive sales, you are not alone. But what if I told you that is an easier way to do it using AI to craft powerful, high converting emails in minutes? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, okay? Step by step with tools and templates you can use to get started today. So if you're ready, let's go. So AI tools are important because they analyze tons of data and apply proven strategies to write emails designed to grab attention, connect with readers, and of course drive action. So think of it as a copywriting assistant, saving you time while delivering results. So step number one is define your goal. First thing is define the goal of your email. Is it to get a reply, promote a product, or nurture a lead? AI works best when you give it a clear instruction. For example, you can say, write an email promoting my online course to small business owners. So step number two here is use AI tools effectively. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT or Jasper. Start by prompting the tool with specifics like your audience, the tone, and what action you would like them to take. Now, here's an example. Write a friendly email to small business owners introducing my new invoicing software and encouraging them to sign up for free trial. In seconds, we have a clear professional draft ready for you to use. And if you're not sure of how to craft a perfect prompt, stick around to the end because I have a formula that I've been using that works best for me. And then strategy number three is add personalization. AI is amazing. AI is amazing, but adding personal touches makes your email stand out. Okay, so use the recipient's name, reference their businesses, even highlight a pain point that they once mentioned to you. Most AI tools can help you generate personalized snippets. And number four is optimize for conversions. Okay. Finally, optimize your emails for conversions. Keep it short and then go straight to the point. Use a clear call to actions and include engaging subject lines. Example of a subject line that you can use is struggling with invoicing, then try this for free. Click here to start your free trial today. So most AI tools offer suggestions for subject lines and call to actions. And here is the bonus tip that I promised to give you. Use this prompt formula to get amazing results. Okay, so write an email, put your target audience with a friendly audience professional tone. Write an email for your audience, okay, with a friendly audience professional tone, promoting product or service, encouraging them for specific action. The more specific you are, the better results you get. So if you've watched to this point, I believe you've learned how you can craft an email that converts using AI. And if you're interested in digital marketing and AI content, if this is your vibe, please hit the subscribe button and I would like to see you in my next video.